Alright, so the spleen is, let's say this is your basic human abdomen. The spleen is located right about here. You know, you got the ribs here. You know, you got your stomach, your liver over here, your intestines over here. So your spleen is right about there. And basically, what the spleen's function is it clears out, you know, old blood cells that have, you know, overpassed their usage, and pathogens that, you know, don't necessarily belong in that particular region. Let's not confuse the spleen with the liver, which is also shaped like this, which is located right here. Now, the reason why I say this is because, let me serve this differently. This is the spleen, and this is the liver. So the reason why I said this again is because a lot of people confuse the spleen and the liver because they do fairly roughly around the same types. What the liver does is it's given a bile from the gallbladder, which is right behind it. And basically what it does is it cleans out the body's blood system, you know, taking out certain, you know, it basically cleans it out. Things get clumped together, washes it out, poisons get through the body, liver takes it out. The spleen produces new red blood cells, destroys old red blood cells, and destroys you know, old pathogens. So there's definitely a difference between liver and spleen, but we definitely don't want to get those two mixed up. Another thing is that in the spleen, you'll find two different types of pulps. Let me just erase this real quick. You'll find two different types of pulps, which is called red pulp and white pulp. And basically, if you're wondering, the pulp of the spleen is, you know, what makes up the spleen. You know, we have skin on the outside of us, flesh on the inside. Pulp is basically what makes up the inside of the spleen. So you have white pulp and you have red. Red pulp. And these are two pulps that make up the, you know, the embodiment of the spleen. So that's a basic, you know, outcropping of what the spleen is. And then now we're gonna, as soon as my section comes back, we're gonna be talking about what was it? We're going to talk about you know, the tonsils and the thymus and what their basic functions are in the body.
Alright, Max, let's talk about the thymus. So in newborns, the thymus is located right here in the sternum, or thymus is a large and prominent structure, located right, as I said, right here in the sternum. It's an important site for the launchment of the cells to become T lymphocytes. Do you know what a T lymphocyte is, Tiaja?
Yeah, we spent just a little bit earlier. Yeah, a T lymphocyte is the second of you know, of two lymphocytes again. Lymphocyte B.
Lymphocyte
T. And again, we mentioned it. The T lymphocytes basically T lymphocytes. Basically, this is T. T lymphocytes basically represent, or not represent, but their basic duty is again to when they recognize you know, unknown pathogens or antigens, they begin to multiply. More and more lymphocytes.
And these T cells are released in great numbers, by the way. During the first 20 years of your life, that's when they're being spread out. And when you're around age 40, you only have about 5% of the original T cells left. So that's pretty much how your body works about the T cells. So let's see, have we went over everything, Tiaja?
I think that makes up basically what the lymphatic system and organs of the immune system make up.
Alright, let's do a review. So first, in the introduction, we went over
capillaries.
So if you don't remember what a capillary was, you want to explain that to us?
Again, basically what capillaries are, they're tiny, small, thin-walled cells that take in blood from the arteries.
And then we went over lymph nodes, and lymph nodes prevents pathogens and bacteria from the body via lymphocytes.
Basically a really big filter.
Yeah. Also, we went over the lymphocytes.
Lymphocytes, T and B.
We went over the spleen. And then we went over T cells. Man.
Thymus.
I get mixed up with that. Okay, we went over T cells, and then we had a review.
Yeah, basically that was, the basic outcropping of the lymphatic system and organs of the immune system. Of course, it does get more in detail, but the basic layout is what we just presented to you now.
I hope you liked our video. Check us out on our website, Alameda Apprentice Doctors, and we'll see you next time.